Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lock picking video. The lock I have for you today is this Thirard or FTH Pacific. It's a French Bramah style pump lock with 5 pins and one additional vertical pin tumbler in the bottom of the keyway. And yeah, works nicely. And without further ado, let's put this thing in the vise and see if we can get it picked. Alright, the Thirard Pacific is now on the vise. Key works just fine. And it's a bit of a challenge to tension this one. I use this standard tensioner and try to put it into one of the grooves here at an angle so that it tensions the inner part of the core. And for picking, I use this very simple pick. First, I set the vertical pin, which gives a click and a bit of a core movement. And then for the other pins, which have some quite mean false gates, so once they're overset, it's a bit difficult to recover from that. I guess this one is holding up now. No, maybe this one, but also maybe not. They're actually all springy now, except this one. Difficult to rotate back now. And that's what it probably takes. Oh. Now I lost probably almost everything. Starting with the vertical pin again. Now they all feel good, and here we go. I don't want to turn it too far because I have to turn it back to gut it. But just a moment, I'll show you that it is really picked. see that the pins are between those gates, hopefully. Yeah. And now I close it back up. And to cut it, I have to remove these this rub screw first. Pin tray. And there's also a pin that holds the core inside. And to remove the core, I have to push this vertical pin again a bit. I don't know, hopefully it works. So now everything slides out. And this is the housing. There's a little pin inside that holds the core in. I don't know if it can be removed. It doesn't look so. So I will leave it in, but you can see this is the hole for the grub screw and this other pin. And in the back there's the actuator, and in the middle there's these parts prevent the core from turning if the pins are not set at the right position. So now the challenge begins. I've never done this before, to be honest. I think I can safely remove this. And also I can remove this front piece. And this is obviously the pin the vertical pin. And what else do we have? Something else? Probably not. So now you can see these are the pins. No, these are the pins that are operated by the key, and they prevent this central part from turning. Let's see how I can get that apart. To be honest, I don't know. Obviously it's two parts. It can be separated somehow. One and the other. And then what happens then? Let's see. Maybe this ring needs to be removed, I don't know. No, probably not. Don't know how this actually works. Here's a ring. Now I see. Probably this ring can be removed here. And then hopefully the pins come out. It's a bit of a challenge again. Oh, there we go. It's that ring. And now we see the pins. That's number 5. Number 4. 3, oops. Two and 1. And then there should be some springs. And I think there's nothing special about the housing. This is spring loaded a bit, and yeah, that's about all. Okay, that's about all for this Thirard Pacific. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.